What's up guys, Pro Generation here. Long time no see, I know. It's been a while since I upload a video. But you know, all these things going on around the world, it was hard for me. A lot of things have changed. I can make a video about that later on, but on today's video, I'm gonna be doing the oil change on my Subaru. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, and you can do it yourself and you can save us some money. So let's go right into it. Ooh. This is the oil that I'm gonna be using on my car. I love Royal Coco. I've been using Royal Coco for years now. I would say like pretty much 10 years, and it's really good oil. I saw some videos that actually give you like 2-3 horsepower more. Because it makes the engine run way better. So I really recommend it, Royal Coco. I'm not sponsored by them by any means. Hopefully they will sponsor me one day. But right now I'm not. I just love this product. I really recommend it highly. Also, I'm using 5W20 instead of 5W30 because winter is coming up. So by the time I have to do my next oil change, is gonna be winter, and I want my car to run as good as possible. So 5W20 is better for cold weathers, and 5W30 is better for warm weather. So that's why I went with this one instead of the other one, because I know in 2 months it's gonna be cold again here in New York. Alright? Okay, so like any other oil change, you're gonna need the clamp for the oil, the old oil, the new oil of course, and the filters around there. I like to use Royal Coco. I know I've been using that for years now and I love it. All my cars always use Royal Coco. And that's it. Let's get into the DIY. So I got my car on ramps already, and the only thing you need to do on the bottom is just take out the bolt to drain the oil. That's pretty much it. The rest you're gonna do it on top right here. You open this so you can drain completely, and then you just change the filter. That's it. I know it's a little dirty, guys. I'm gonna clean it as soon as I finish. I'm gonna go to the car wash and clean all my engine bay, all the car, and everything. But let's get into it. Let's go drain the oil first. Alright guys, so the oil clog drain. Okay guys, so to drain the oil, there's gonna be like a plug, bolt right behind the header. Okay, it's pretty easy to reach. As you can see, I'm laying down on the car. Let me switch the camera. Okay, so you can see it right here. Let me wait. Wait, where is it? That one right there. That's the plug right behind, after the headers. You see the headers right here. Wait, focus. So you go behind it, and you're gonna find it right there. You don't need to go to completely under the car to reach. Okay, so now that I take out the plug under the car, you're gonna open here. Okay, and that's gonna make it drain way quicker. Okay, so leave it open and let's wait until it drains completely. Be careful when you're gonna take out the plug under the car, because the oil can be a little hot. Okay. Alright, I already put it back, as you can see right here. You can put it back hand tight first, and then adjust, put a little harder with the tool, but not too hard. Alright, make sure you clean it before you put it back also. And that's it. Just make sure to put it back before you put the oil. You don't want to make a mess. But that's it. Clean it, put it back hand tight, and then adjust a little more with the tool. That's it. Eventually. Okay, so once you put back the plug under the car, you come over here, you should be able to lose it with your hand. This wasn't like that. I gotta use that clean right there to get it loose because it was too hard, and you're not supposed to cut it that hard. But once you get it loose, it should be able to come out like so. There we go. Yeah. Be careful, you don't want to spill everywhere. Okay. Put it there. Make sure you clean all of that before you put the new filter. I'm gonna do it right now.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I just clean it. See? I use this to clean it. I clean here, and I also clean here. You don't have to, but I like to clean everything I'm gonna put back on. And now we get the new filter. It's right here. It's right here. And then with the new oil, I almost forgot. With the new oil, you're gonna like put a little bit on your fingertip, and then put it around all over here, and then you put it in there. All right, let me do it right away. Just a little bit around. That will make the seal a little bit better, so it's good to do it all over. Yeah. And then you put it on. Make sure you put it straight. Hang tight. You don't need to do too hard. Just hang tight, and that's it. Then just put the oil. Okay, so once you have done putting the oil back, you want to make sure that it's at the right level. So you want to take it off, clean it with this, then put it back in, and then take it out and check what's the level. I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, I already checked the level of my car, of the oil. It's fine, it's perfect. I'm sorry I didn't show you. I just lost my GoPro. Sorry, the ATVs. 1 second. Okay, so I lost my GoPro, so I'm using my phone. I don't have the tripod to put it and then do it. But that pretty much is. Just make sure to put everything back together, and that's it. Okay guys, there you have it. How to change the oil on a Subaru WRX. I also have a video how to change the oil on the Lexus IS250 and on a BMW Clip 35i. So I'm gonna link those videos up so you can go and see them. Actually, let's turn on the BMW. I haven't turned it on in a while. Let's see. Let's see. I miss this car so much. Oh my god. Look at those gauges. Looks insane. And let's see, it's been a while. Like nothing.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so there you have it, how to change the oil on a WRX 2016 and up. It's super easy, super simple. The hardest thing is to take out the oil filter and it's on top of the engine, so it's super easy. It can take you like maybe 10 minutes, maybe. But other than that, you should be able to do it by yourself. You don't have to pay nobody to do it, alright? So yeah guys, follow my Instagram. I'm gonna link it right here. Go follow it. I post on my story every day pretty much about everything that's going on in my life. I have to move to a new house. I got a new job, you know, all this thing. But I talk mainly about my cars and the things that I do in it. So make sure you go and follow me over there. And thanks for watching guys. See you on the next video. Ooh.